Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. In this video we are talking about pandas. So in pandas we will be looking how you can create a series using dictionary. Also how you can pass on an argument called index in it. So I hope you will like the video.
So we are discussing pandas series now, as we already saw that pandas is helpful for handling data sets, and we can load data from different sources, and it handles data in the form of a structured manner. One dimensional data in pandas is known as series. So it's like a single column, and 2D data is known as data frame. So let me create a series in pandas. For that, first of all, I'll have to do import pandas as pd, and after that I will be creating a list. So for creating a list, I'll be writing a is equal to, and here I'll be creating a list, let's say, of numbers. So I'll have 12 and 13 and 14. So I have three numbers over here: 12, 13 and 14. And now my series series is equal to pd dot series. With the help of pd dot series, I can create a series, and I'll have to pass a into it. Now, if I want to print my series, you can see that my series is having the data 12, 13, and 14 with index values as 0, 1, and 2. If we want to ensure that what is the data type, then I can do print type of my series, and that should give us that it is a pandas series. You can see that the class is pandas.core.series. So it is a series. You can just pick up the last name as of now. So it's a series basically. Fine. So this is how we can create a series. Now there is something called as labels. So if we don't specify any kind of labels, then basically the index value comes as 0. So you can see that here we have the index value which has come up as zeros, right? 0, then 1. This is how it starts. But let's say if I do create the series once again, so my series, I'm recreating it. So my series is equal to, again, pd dot series. So the previous my series will get destroyed and this new series will be there. And here I'll be passing a, and comma, I'll pass index. So I'll write index is equal to. So what is index is equal to? Here I can write some index values. So in a list, I'll be writing, let's say first one is A, and second one is B, and the third one is C. So we have only three values. That's why I'm writing 1, 2, 3. And let me print my series. And when I print my series, you can see that we have A, B, C as labels or index values. So earlier it was not like this, right? So now we have got these particular values as series, right? ABC is the index values for it. So this much about series. If you want to get more about it, or you want to create more about series, then basically you can do that. And how can you do that? You can create a dictionary also, and with the help of dictionary, you can create a series. And I already have a dictionary, but it has got multiple values, so I will not use that one. I'll create one more dictionary. So let's say this dictionary is just collecting the addresses. So ADDR, okay, is the dictionary is equal to, and I'll create a dictionary of address, where firstly I'll put FLAT flat number, and flat number is 101. Then I will have STREAT street number, and street number is 100. And then I will have after that, let's say city. So city is Pune. So this much data I'll be creating with the help of a dictionary. And again, my AADDR, I'll create a series. So pd.series series, and here I'll be putting ADDR, and this is going to help me with the series. And let me print my ADDR, and you can see that by default it has taken the keys flat number, street number, city as index values or the labels, and the other things are values. So this is how we are working with the series in the Python pandas package. So that's it in this particular video. Keep watching, wait for the next video.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, you can write down to us in the comment section below. You can like this video, you can share it with your friends, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.